Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is India secured third spot in forest area gains. First, let us see why it's in the news. India has secured the third spot among the top 10 countries with the most significant forest area gains from 2010 to 2020, according to a new report titled State of the World's Forest 2024, released by the Food and Agriculture Organization. Let's now talk about the State of the World's Forest report. The flagship publication is part of the State of the World series of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. The biennial report carries extensive data on global forest resources and humans' interaction with them while outlining strategies for reducing deforestation. This edition provides highlights on the state of the world's forest and explores the transformative power of evidence-based innovation in the forest sector, ranging from new technologies to creative and successful policies and institutional changes. Let's look into the highlights of the report. India gained 266,000 hectares of forest area annually from 2010 to 2020. China led the world with the maximum forest area gain of 19,37,000 hectares, followed by Australia with 4,46,000 hectares and India. Other countries in the top 10 include Chile, Vietnam, Turkey, the United States, France, Italy, and Romania. The report praised India for its efforts in restoring degraded lands and expanding agroforestry through innovative approaches. This includes the development of a new national policy aimed at better supporting agroforestry in the country. The report highlighted a significant reduction in deforestation in some countries. For example, Indonesia saw an 8.4% decline in deforestation from 2021 to 2022, while Brazil's Amazon experienced a 50% reduction in deforestation in 2023. The FAO report also said the rate of gross global mangrove loss decreased by 23% during the periods 2000 to 2010 and 2010 to 2020. However, the FAO stressed that climate change is increasing the vulnerability of forests to various stressors, including wildfires and pests. Boreal forest accounted for nearly 1/4 of carbon dioxide emissions due to wildfires in 2021. In 2023, wildfires emitted an estimated 6,687 megatons of carbon dioxide globally, more than double the carbon dioxide emissions from the European Union due to fossil fuel burning that year. Let's now discuss the way forward. According to the report, 5 enabling actions will help scale up responsible, inclusive, and essential innovation in the forest sector. First, raise awareness. Second, boost innovation skills, capabilities, and knowledge. Third, encourage transformational partnerships. Fourth, ensure more and universally accessible finance for innovation. And fifth, provide an incentivizing policy and regulatory environment. Now it's time for the practice question. The question is, consider the following statements about State of the World Forest Report. The report is released by the FAO. 2. India has secured the third spot among the top 10 countries with the most significant forest area gains from 2010 to 2020. 3. Boreal forests accounted for nearly 1/4 of carbon dioxide emissions due to wildfires in 2021. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.